Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is me Prachi and today is the episode 1 of my meal prep series from Sunday. So happy Sunday to you all. So today what I'm doing is I am meal prepping for the weekdays. Pretty simple. I'm just gonna make one curry that I'm gonna eat today, Tuesday and Thursday. Super simple so that those week evenings I'll have less work to do. I just have to make either one day quinoa or one day roti and I'll be done. So yeah, let's get started. I am making 800 grams of paneer today. So I have started meal prepping here. So basically this one whole cube of paneer that I'm taking, and whatever I used to cook I'm just dividing, I'm multiplying it with 3. So if I make paneer one for one dinner, I use half onion, so I'm using 1.5 onion for today. So everything multiply by 3, and I'm making this whole curry for the family of 3. So let's get started. And here am I sipping my tea also. So I've made tea. It's 1:30 p.m. and my target is to get done by 2:30. So let's do that. Yeah, I'm excited for today. आप लोग मील प्रेप में क्या करते हैं, मुझे आइडियाज़ दीजिएगा, बिकॉज वी आर वेजिटेरियन फैमिली and we don't have too many options. So I will try to alternate the ideas every Sunday. So you will see me more on Sundays here, meal prepping for the week from now onwards. So let's get started without wasting any minute. My husband walked in and complimented me that, wow, it smells so amazing. And I was thinking, it's not just for today, it's for Tuesday and Thursday too. I feel like meal prep is adulting level 100. Teenage me would never think about me getting excited if I'm meal prepping. Also, I was reading about everything that's happening in the world, like the news about Dubai. So many Indians live there. I hope they all are safe. Sometimes world feels so big and unpredictable. So guys, आपको याद है ना, I started at around 1:30. It's 2:10. सब्जी is almost ready. मैं लाइक उसको मीडियम लो फ्लेम में रख के ढक के आई हूँ. एंड माई हस्बैंड एंड माई किड नो आइडिया कि उनको ये सब्जी ट्यूसडे को भी खानी है और थर्सडे को भी खानी है. इट्स मील प्रेप. ही इज़ सो एक्साइटेड. ही इज़ लाइक, प्राची वाओ, क्या स्मेल आ रही है, घर में कितनी अच्छी खुशबू आ रही है. यू हैव दैट उम्फ कि तुमने पूरी इतनी अच्छी कुकिंग की है हमारे डिनर के लिए, एंड इतनी अच्छी खुशबू भी आ रही है. सो ही इज़ काइंड ऑफ वेरी हैप्पी, बट ही हैज़ नो आइडिया कि उसको ये सब्जी जो है वीक में 2 बार खानी पड़ेगी, इंक्लूडिंग टुडे. सो आई एम एक्साइटेड एंड विदिन 1 hour मेरी सब्जी इज़ रेडी. नाउ आई विल चिल, रिलैक्स, and I will divide that sabji into 2 parts and I'll put it in the refrigerator. Rest I'll leave in the pan so that हम उसको evening में खा सके. And that's about it. आप लोग का दिन कैसा जा रहा है? Let me know in the comment. And do you like this idea of me meal prepping for the week or not? And these are my vegetable gardens update. You see the greens that is coming, and even यहाँ पे भी आपको दिखेगा नहीं, but छोटे छोटे प्लांट्स आ रहे हैं. आई एम एक्साइटेड फॉर इट. सी यू सून. Ivan, we are here at shopping place.
No shopping place.
We're gonna try to find some food.
Okay, so we are here. हम quickly कुछ कपड़े देखेंगे, अगर पसंद आए तो we're gonna do the shopping and we're gonna say bye bye to Sunday. Okay.
There's gonna be groceries inside.
Let's go quickly. गाइस, आज डैलस में इतना प्यारा वेदर था. Everyone was out with the kids and with the family. They were enjoying the cool weather here in Dallas. It's not too cool, but it was amazing.
What a nice
We
weather.
also
Maza aa
shopped
raha
here, had fun, and then later we had some snacks here,
Flowers.
and it was so
Cheap
much
made
fun.
it.
I love that.
So many shops
कि हम
around.
बाहर
But
आए
हमने अभी
आज
तक
and
कोई
we
ढंग
had
से
so
शॉपिंग
much
ही नहीं
fun.
की है.
Okay, so we are here to the pretzel place. Which one do you wanna go? Chalo. Let's go.
Food smell, Vivan. That's food smell. So which one do you want?
I want a circle.
Yeah? Okay. So we are here trying the cheese pretzel. Right, Vivan? You like it? Cheers. Guys, it's so tasty. I love it. Vivan! One water and water park. Okay, go. Wow, it's so pretty. हम वापस आ गए हैं और हमारी मटर पनीर भी रेडी है. मटर पनीर तो काफ़ी टाइम से रेडी हो गई थी, बट नाउ आई एम गोना डिवाइड इट एंड आई एम गोना पुट इट इन दी रेफ्रिजरेटर. Looks good. Do you want to taste it? Guys, मैंने बहुत सिंपल बनाई है. मतलब whatever I put for 2 people, I mean 1 day, I just multiplied it by 3 और ऐसे मैंने बना दी. But you see कितनी अच्छी लग रही है. मैंने इतनी सारी बना ली. So much. इतनी सारी. Meal prep. इतनी सारी. Let me put it in another box too. I think आज के लिए इतनी is more than enough. क्योंकि हम में से कोई भी इतना hungry है नहीं. So ये आज के लिए है. ये एक और दिन के लिए और ये एक और दिन के. I think this one with roti and this one with quinoa. So our batch is ready. Hey guys. So I am here to my favorite part of the day, sunset with the chai today. हमने जल्दी जल्दी डिनर कर लिया, थोड़ा थोड़ा खाया. किनवा रखा था, किनवा एंड देन पनीर करी, मटर पनीर. एंड अब मैं जल्दी आ गई हूँ इस व्यू के लिए. 6:25 हो गए. आई एम लाइक 5 minutes लेट. 5 मिनट पहले आती तो थोड़ा और ऊपर रहता सन. बट या गाइस, विद दैट हमारा वीकेंड एंड हो गया. एंड वी आर हियर. I mean, I am here. I'm saying bye to you all. It was fun weekend. I'll see you all tomorrow. Until then, take care and have a fantastic time. And I'll see you all later. Bye bye. Take care. Good night.